How do I keep my freezer drain pipe from freezing up every 2 weeks? I have ensured that the pipe is free of debris and have replaced the thermistor and installed a new heater, but yet it still does the same thing.
What's the brand and model of your freezer?
I have a Maytag top freezer, less 5 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag freezer? What have you tried so far?
Model is M1CHEMIB01.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It's been about 3 months.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. I'm so sorry to hear you're having issue with your refrigerator. I understand how frustrating that must be. It sounds like you've done a bit of work already, but the drain pipe continues to freeze over, is that correct? You said you replaced the thermistor and the heater, but that really doesn't have anything to do with the drain pipe, that has to do with the freezer defrosting. The unit must be defrosting because the drain pipe is getting water and it's freezing over. Am I missing something?
Nope, you got it right.
Okay, perfect, thank you. Allow me a few minutes to type.
I can pour water down drain pipe and it come out at bottom of fridge as it should and can snake it no problem.
Okay, great. You will need to remove everything out of your freezer and remove the back panel inside the freezer again. Use a hairdryer to thaw all the ice out and locate the drain hole. Pour hot water down the drain hole until it's draining properly again. Once it's draining properly, blow compressed air down to make sure it's clear. If you don't have compressed air, use a turkey baster to make sure the drain line is clear and draining properly. Cut a solid copper piece of wire about 6 inches long. Wrap it around the defrost heater a couple times just above the drain hole and extend it 2 inches into the defrost drain hole. That will transfer heat into the drain hole when the defrost heater turns on and will prevent the defrost drain line from freezing over in the future. Also, if you didn't want to use a copper wire, there is an actual kit made which you can wrap around the heater if you wanted to buy the actual kit to perform this task. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
I've done all those things and still get the same result. The drain hole freezes down inside of it about 3 inches. Why would it do this now, but for 4 or 5 years no problem again? The drain pipe is free of obstruction.
Then you have a bad drain probe, or it's still not cleared out as well as you think. The reason water freezes is because it doesn't drain out fast enough after the defrost cycle. If there is water left in the drain pipe after defrost, then the freezer will start to freeze the water. It'll build up and eventually restrict the drain line completely and not allow it to drain at all. The heat probe melts the ice when the defrost heater turns on in case it starts to freeze over. The only reason it'll keep coming back is if the drain isn't draining out fast enough, so I'm guessing you haven't blown out the drain with an air compressor yet, or the drain heat probe you're using isn't a good probe.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.